trauma, me I tell you, as a child. I did mentally abused as a child. Trust me.
I remember, I was just start go early school. Mm-hmm. And my cousin, my mother used to take care of my cousin. His mother leave him, his mother leave him with my mother and come to America. So she leave him with my mother. So me and him was same age. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So the two of us start early school the same year, in the same class.
Right.
Same grade 1. And you have this youth used to try to take set my way. Mm-hmm. But me actually, that try for bully. So one of the time I'm there, I try to bully me, my cousin pick up on big stone. I'm using 2 and lift up. And pick up the big stone and come up behind the youth. The youth them pick up big stone and come up behind him and go say, hey. Leg of the big stone and lick, the bump you have on your back right there, sir. Right there, sir.
What?
People, everybody have a bump right there, sir, back. Right there, sir, lick him on the stone and lick him out the day and knock him out. Blood. Yeah, man, lick him out, man. I'm telling you, we live a Rockford. And catching a trouble feet. My cousin go home, he run me and go home. But me stay back at school. And them carry me up to principal and everything, and the boy mother come to school and them have me there. Them a try to get me information or to get my address or to locate my mother. Just give them wrong address. Just give them wrong address. And say, me don't know what become of that case there, because them never find my mother. Them not come back to me with nothing at all. So I don't know what happened. And then in the long run, years after that, me and the boy in the same class again, and him end up move coming in the year over me live. And him now turn bad man. He turn bad man, but me and him also. Virgin. Remember, say me and him did it. I don't know if you remember from grade 1 stage and that incident there. I don't know if you remember that. But me and him end up in the same, because I got all school right up to grade 9. So me and him did end up back in a grade 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So after we graduate from school now, him not go back on no more school. But he end up living in a year at them time there when me I go to school, him supposed to call him not going to school. He's a bad man. But me and him a suck. Me and him a suck to the day. One time I look at him and I say, wonder if me remind him what he would have done, what he would have said. I say, you know what? My life got alone. That gone already. Gone. Years that gone.
Sometimes they maybe no remember.
Ain't good enough. The liquor ain't get good at liquor out in sense. Remember nothing.
So how old you was that time?
Time there? Just graduated from basic school and I start.
Oh, a long time
big
that.
School. Yeah.
A long time.
That's from about 1980. The happenings.
Wow.
From about 80, and then me and him end up back in the same class. Like 87. You know what I'm telling a lie, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 87, 88, 89 when we end up back in the same travel. We travel in the same grade, same class, from grade 7, 8, and 9. But all when him in a class, say I'm a bad man, because them time I live in a year. And right. Say I'm chop badness and thing. I see him come to school. Sometimes I see him come to school. I know, but I don't say nothing about it. I tell him about it. I just know and no side that time. But me and him talk, but we never returned virgin until after graduation. Okay. When we left school now. Because I remember saying me and him in the same class. Yeah. In my grade still, I'm there for it, you know.
Life just changed. And a lot of people see people and they don't have no idea what people go through in their life. Package delivered today. That's my package that I ordered something for the truck.
How is your package? 97%.
Electrical wire.
97%. 98% of the package I'm gonna deliver here are for you.
97 or 98.
98%.
That's not true, babe.
That is so true.
No, that is not true.
That is so true.
No, that is not true. Okay? There is a time when you just a collect package 24/7, especially when you go a yard. And sometimes when you have this happen and that happen, just the package are coming here rapid for you. And the months none come for me.
Yeah, but that just a little period that's when I go yard.
No, but you know, say me have a project I do
You are
run at
right
the back.
through the year.
No, that's not true.
You and Chanel.
No, Chanel, not me.
Chanel
It's because of the project.
Mika.
It's the project where I have a going on at the back right now and that.
One
Cause
time it was Mika. No, Chanel. The race between you, Mika, and Chanel. So you're a lead writer now.
because of the project, you know that too.
You know,
It's not like me I buy something for myself.
lead.
You a leader, you know, say you a lead. Big from them say good, you know, killer recommended. You want business. Yes, you know, scare me off when me a pitney, but I'm afraid I did something then no more. No, sir. Grow past it. You see, if me did just have the knowledge and the understanding of certain things and they teach certain things, then me wouldn't be afraid. But me wasn't aware of it. And that's why me did take it so seriously.
Let me ask you a question. When somebody is a quick thinker, like, right? Quick thinker, and then say whatever it takes to get them out of trouble. And you call them a liar.
Quick thinker? Yeah, I mean, if you lie, you lie. And if it's something where you constantly do, yeah, you lie. You're a liar.
But no, but have trouble, you have trouble. Like if you get yourself in a trouble and
I mean, me think quick already and get myself out of trouble. I mean, we talked about this the other day. So what? Will you come back with it that far? You in a trouble? And you tell me a lie?
when
Just asking.
no, you days mental about. Because me I say me did good on that.
You did good on the lie?
Quick thinking to get myself out of trouble. Quick thinking to get myself out of trouble. Or because let me tell you something. When I grew up, one of the biggest fear me did have, and up to the day, I forget myself in a trouble where it affect my mother, Me never want. So you see, me never want nothing to affect my mother. Nothing. Me don't want nothing go near my mother. Me don't want my mother affect. Me don't want nothing to affect her. Me don't want nobody get in no trouble. Me just protective of my mother. Up to the day, I same thing. So if me get myself in a trouble like a school or so, and it's a case where I have to go bring mother come now, and I did bring her last week, and I know say it affect her, I don't want she worry about me and all them way there. Me just think quick and fast and just tell them something, and just cancel out mother thing, Just cancel out that mother thing there.
So you lie. And one lie after the next, when you get yourself in a trouble, you tell one lie after the next. You're a perfect little liar.
Yeah, me lie if I get myself out of trouble. So.
Yes.
I don't know if you're going to classify me as a liar, but
So, you ever lie to me if you get yourself out of trouble?
never in a trouble there.
Yes.
You never know.
Yeah. You ever lie to me if you get yourself out of trouble?
Lie.
Don't think quick right now. Just tell me the truth.
No.
I'm not going to beat your bottom, so you can just tell me.
You ever catch up on a lie yet?
Yes. You know.
Tell the lie forget you. For winning.
That's not funny.
Remember one time when let me say again. Yeah, one time man. It's about 96. I was supposed to turn soldier from 96. Get in the JDF. From 96. But anyway, we did have a family member in the army where, him the kind of get me in. So me come so boom now, back then, I don't know about now, when you get into the army, you have to do tests. You have to do reading, mathematics, mental ability, So I go Marant Bay the morning. I think it was a Monday morning for do the part there, the first test, first part, which should have been reading and whatever. So me have a style for a long time. I wear socks, you know, man. Because a man that wear socks up to the day. I'm compelled to see me in socks. Well put together, you know, man. Well put together, dressed nice the morning. Go up and be a police station, and be if I go do the test. I'm gonna go up there. So it was like about 100 odd youth. I try to get in. I do the test, I sit the test.
Right.
Yeah, so them, you know, they line me up the morning, you know, and when them start them procedure, them that give us some basic run through and talk to and thing, and you know, so them I talk about properly dress and hygiene and then something. So them say everybody's supposed to have them talk about socks, and you know, everybody's supposed to have on socks. So them say everybody have on socks and thing, and you know, if we say yes, and everybody think, I guess everybody say yes, and me say yes too. You know, have on no socks. So me say yes. So when me never know, so them go check it. Cause we check if you have on socks, a simple thing, you know, them go just lift up your pants. Just lift up your pants. I make you just lift your pants up. So the man then start come down the line now, cause we line up, you know. Man then we stand up in a line. And the man then start come down the line now and I check man if they have on socks. I couldn't believe it. I said, really, truly. I couldn't get myself in that trouble now. He said the man reach out to me, you know. It's like before him checking him ask them. Him come to that one and say, you have on socks? Yes, sir. Boom, lift up and look. Come down, you have on socks, you know. Maybe them ask some randomly.
Right.
When they reach to me, you know, and say, you have on socks? I say, yes, sir. So they want lift up my pants and not see no socks. One say, we do the socks if you have on socks. You know, they're rough, you know, them rough and aggressive, you know. And they talk loud to you, you know. With them running out of the place and run you like dog, you know, man. So,
Where's I lie to them?
so man said, you know, I'm aggressive, and the man said, me not just ask if you have on socks. And you tell me yes, you know. You hear me with my quick thinking now, again now. No, me think you ask me if I'm in here, Max. Man, so me ask if I'm in here, Max. So me your friend, me know you. Come out of that place. Run me like a dog. Man, so me know you, me your friend. Yeah, when me ask about how you name Max.
No, so I can't be bothered.
Come out of the place. I mean, I end up go over the market.
Right.
The market never quite open up yet, you know, man. And I said, me have to find a socks this morning. Go over the market, and some lady would just start to pack out. And I asked her if she has socks, and she said, yeah, I guess so. I mean, help the lady pack out just so she get to the socks. And buy a pair of socks from her and put them on and go back. Yeah, and go back and sit the exam and pass. And pass the exam and move on. But me never pass the physical part because I'm flat-footed. And that stopped me.
Okay.
So I'm flat-footed. And I way up to the last test before me start for go training. You know? It's true, my cousin that kind of pull a string for me.
Right.
Them sister I'm flat-footed from the get-go. But, you know, my cousin I pull a string for me, you know. You know, they make me go on through. But the doctor now, on the last test, the doctor comes up, boom, do him thing and sound me and tell me to stand up. Tell me, no, remember nothing about no flat footed now. I think I'm good now. You need to turn up flat on foot. The doctor comes with the finger. I said, but how you reach us, sir? I said, what do you mean? He said, you shouldn't reach to me. You should have get turned back from the first day. You're flat footed. But I said, we can't use it, man. We can't use it. You're flat-footed, man.
Wow.
Can't use it.
So if you're flat-footed, why? You're not can stand up too long, or?
Yeah, so the boat. The boat, when in a training,
Right.
the drill, yeah, it can damage.
Okay.
It can be dangerous still. The boat and meet with them.
Right. Soldier boat then.
Soldier boat. And in a training, you have to have it on, and, you know.
If you're flat-footed, it can hurt you.
Yeah, because the shape of the boat and all of that. But the day when I walk out of camp, man, I feel like, because the work I'm doing, and I'm just going to go off, you know. I work on truck side, you know, a side man on truck, you know. Glad now when I say, yes, I left that work, you know. I turned soldier. I left this. Tell all to my brothers and them, and I say, boy, if you don't see me, I say, girl. I tell them, I have a young baby I had, you know, maybe about a month old. Or, yeah. So, I walk through camp the morning, man, I feel like fish out of water. You know, look at man now, I walk beside me and I say, yo, them a take on for police, you know, Bloom Scene police, you know. And I said, next one, over there, so them do training, go on over there, go do it, no? Go do it test, no? And I said, police. I said, no, I don't know police. Go home and lay down beside me, could be able to stay, so I said, wow.
Sad.
Yeah, man. Let me go back around.
Yeah, ready for go make life for you now.
Let me go back around and Bridget and say, yeah, what happened? We are there. We are there.
Because you're ready for go move on, left them.
And I tell her, take a couple of days of work too, man, the way it affect me, you know, I say, I don't know, I go back and face the man, I tell the man, I say, I'm going to turn soldier.
Oh, gosh.
Me eventually go back to work and tell him, say, boy, I work out, you know. And then, I never worry about it. I could have tried again. I never bother with it, because right now that time, you know, Adams and Dunga Garden, them Coral Adams, them pin down Adams, them in our whole building down there. And they show up on the TV, you know, them on the news, them show a little clippings like with the soldier, them and Adams, you know, every shot. If one of the shot them fire, so you see soldier, them and jump. If you that building, you know, then gun, you know, Adams, everybody in there, you know, chop them, pin down Adams, them, and then can't move, you know. I mean, I looked on it and I said, that soldier that way I jump up on me, you know. Say, you know what, forget this soldier thing, we don't regret it. Forget it. We left it alone.
Oh,
God. We don't bother with it again.
Not necessarily say that go war or them something.
It could have been me. Or it could have been me another time, you know. If not that time. Because I'm a couple months after.
You know, when we noticed with the soldier, them, like, me used to say, we don't want my kids them to be police because if they realize them man, them always target the police, them. And it just always just scary.
Compared to soldier and police, compared to police and soldier with the killing, police dead. Like it's like a 10 every 10 soldier police are dead, or every 20 police are dead. A chance if you hear say one soldier dead, out of every 20 police are dead.
Yeah.
You know the on the battlefield. You know the line of duty. For real. Like bad man just have a different kind of fear for soldier. But soldier and a crime fighter doing. The police out there fight crime every day. Soldier not really crime fighter.
Right.
Soldier for war. When you see soldier come out, you know, say different mission them come out, they come for kill.
Scary, man. I've been through some scary situation. Remember when we have Chevron Mediva and this guy used to come around, you know, he used to do that, but him always used to be wanted by the police. And he used to come there, you know, my brother used to par more time, but him didn't want it. But, you know, it's not like, say, me know the guy or anything like that. After me have a baby to box go on the part water steam. Police kick off door coming at me house. I look for man. Just come from hospital, you know. Me not live with no man, I just me, my father and my brother today. They hear say man there me yard. Yo, me go through some scary things in my life, me I tell you. Some trauma things. Same way like how I did hear one time, like one of my little cousin did missing. And in the night, you know, me hear the bawling, you know, run at the back, you know. A ball, you know, a ball for rape, you know. And when we tell us, say, which part we did live, me would have love to take up the phone and call the police and hear say, you know, hear somebody a ball for rape, but because police are going to have your number And them same man can go to the man them and tell the man them say, you know, you can go to the man them and tell the man them say, and get the call from this because you don't know who is who. You can't trust nobody, so you have to just keep yourself quiet. And you hear that, and then I tell her, say, when we find out months later and realize, say, I'm a family that
Family what?
I'm a family that get raped, run at the back of me yard. I word, because she did missing, you know. My cousin did missing all long, and nobody never know which part she there. I'm listen upon the short, and she them did a rape run at the back of me yard. And when I come from out the road, out Panamena Plaza, and I come down and there at the shop, I almost reach on my yard. I see the little girl and I say, you know, I call her and I say, wait there. It's about 4 years and nobody knows what she there now. And I say, what you there here so I do? And she said, Dana? And I say, yes. I say, you didn't know, say, yes, I live? And she said, no. And I said, how long now you there so around there so you live around there so I said, where you live? And she said, around there so. I said, how long now you live around there so? And she said, about 2 months now. I said, about 2 months I'm live right there so in front of you and you don't know?
Live around there so
No. People should live with one that's total stranger. She don't know the people them like that. A stranger them. And I say, you live around there so? And she say, yes. So she come over my yard. And from she come over my yard now, she start to rally around me so till it just clicking on my head one day if she say, ask her. I say, I can ask you a question? About 3 weeks ago, I hear somebody run the saw ball for rape. Was it you? And she say, yes. I say, I want to drop out of my eye right the same time. I say, was that you? And she say, yes. And I say, you tell the police? And she said, no. I say, oh my God. I'm going to call her mother right away, which is my auntie. I'm going to say, so and so and so. I find your daughter. And she said, what you say? I'm going to say, yes. I'm going to say, see her. I'm going to say, I carry her up there now. I'm going to put Gedges and carry her up which part my auntie used to live. And when we go up there, she tell her auntie what happened. And she tell her mother what happened. And her mother carry her go to the police station and then report it. Cacophony. The police them come and take up the man them and carry them and go lock them up. And when me tell you say, when the man them gone, the following day after the man them get locked up, about 10 man come down on me yard. All man we used to call to me, man we used to say, oh, they like me, man we used to say all kind of things to me, always heal me up, big me up, whatever. Know that my family gonna mess with the wrong crowd. Shit, they find out say the little girl and me related. And the man them come down there, who no have button, remember you know? And my family, and me, them come to. Who no have button, have gun. Who no have gun, have stick. Who no, everybody who no have stick, have knife. About 10 of them come down on my house. Yes. About 10 of them come down on my house the day. And them say, listen, we get to understand say so and so are your family. And police come pick up the man them. And as she did want if it happen, blah 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 blah. So me say, what you mean by what you try to say to me? I call them name like cause me know them, you know, as somebody where me know up on the street, some of them me know them cause them are my brother or friend. So me know them, then we come hear my brother and then we ask me for my brother and whatever. And when them see me I pass on the road, they will always heal me and they will always tell me, oh, them respect me and all. Even the Dan we used to the down they used to say, oh, them respect me because my hold my head, I am blah 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 and blah blah in that community there. Them did really check for me in that sense there. But the fact that my family go get the man them in a jail, them no respect me no more. And me I tell you say, the man them come on me yard the morning there. But to be honest to you, me never afraid. Me never fear. because me was so hurt and heart inside because of what happened. And it's a reason why me was so hurt about it. So them tell me say me have to go to this make sure so she go tell the police them to free up the man and whatever. Else my life I got in a jeopardy, or them I got hurt me and them I got hurt my family. Them threaten me. So because me know say it wasn't me alone lived there, so my family lived there and whatever. I call my auntie and tell my auntie. And she have to make her daughter go to station, go tell the police them say I never she. And that was something where me will never, as long as me live, me will never forget, because that night when she bawled for rape, me hear it. And me did have a police friend. And me call him and tell him to listen. And him hear, but he must say him could not report it because him not dead. And me have to call them. And me tell him no. Because me not trust nobody. Nobody me not trust. Me not go call. Me would have want to call, but me have my life and people I go come after me, because me I tell us some of them same police there and the man them a friend, and them I go tell them where the caller come from. Because a whole heap of that happening in that community.
And people, the police them not even tell them either them have our idea, and them know say well the closest house where they dead to it. Who could I hear her?
You understand?
And the house there.
But me I tell you say the
so
police.
Page anyway.
But me I tell you say me down there and here people get hurt because of them say them are informer and them something there. And me sit down there, but that was the reason for me to call him. So maybe him could have tried to do something, but he must say because him not work at that station, him couldn't do nothing. And me say, listen to this. And he said, me have to call the one the station close to me. And me say, me cannot do that because me not trust them. Because them police here is like this. Them and the same man them a friend down here, and then you will get yourself in a trouble. So because of that, me never call, and like it always rests on me. Always rests on my mind. Until me finally find out at home. So when me find out, God, 3 of them, you know. 3 of them. Some things where you have to live with as a human. It is painful, it is sad, and it's terrible.